Imagine asking your doctor a question about your health and getting a super detailed, caring reply in seconds. Now imagine that reply comes from an AI chatbot instead of a real doctor. Sounds futuristic? It's already happening. And a famous study shook up the medical world by saying AI might actually do it better in some ways. Today, we're taking a fresh, honest look at that research. Can AI really answer your health questions with more quality and empathy than your doctor?
We'll break down the facts, the surprising results, the big caveats, and what it all means for the future of healthcare.
Stick around, this gets eye-opening!
First, let's set the scene. AI is already transforming healthcare in exciting ways.
It's helping doctors write notes faster, suggest possible diagnoses, read X-rays and MRIs more quickly, and even watch real-time data like your heart rate or oxygen levels.
These tools save time and catch things early. That's huge! But one claim really grabbed attention. Could AI be more empathetic, more caring and understanding than actual doctors when answering patient questions?
That sounds almost unbelievable and honestly, a bit sad if true.
How could a machine show more heart than a human who's trained for years to care for people?
Let's dive into the study that sparked all this buzz. Back in 2023, researchers wanted to test this head-to-head. They took 195 real patient questions from an online forum where volunteer doctors answer anonymously.
These were everyday worries, like what does this medication do, or is this symptom serious?
They fed the exact same questions to ChatGPT and collected its replies.
Then, a panel of 3 licensed physicians and nurses, who didn't know which answer came from who, rated them blindly on 2 things: quality and empathy.
How caring and understanding it felt.
They used simple scales. For quality, from very poor to very good. For empathy, from not empathetic to very empathetic. And they picked which one was better overall. The results? They weren't even close. ChatGPT won big time. For quality, nearly 79% of ChatGPT's answers got rated good or very good, compared to just 22% for the doctors. That's over 3 times more high-quality responses from the AI. On empathy, 45% of ChatGPT replies were called empathetic or very empathetic, while doctors hit only about 5%. That's almost 10 times more! One big reason? ChatGPT's answers were way longer, averaging 211 words versus the doctor's 52 words. More detail can feel more thoughtful and patient. Headlines exploded. AI beats doctors at empathy. It sounded revolutionary, but hold on. There's more to the story, and some important red flags we need to talk about next. The study was solid for what it tested, but it wasn't perfect, and it didn't answer everything. First, the evaluators used their own judgment for quality and empathy. Subjective scales that weren't fully tested before. Crucially, they didn't check if the answers were actually accurate or safe. We know ChatGPT can sometimes make up facts, called hallucinations, which could be dangerous in medicine. The heart has 5 chambers. Dangerous! Second, longer answers often feel kinder just because they're detailed.
Was it true empathy or just more words?
Third, blinding wasn't perfect. AI replies were so much longer and sometimes had that AI style. Evaluators might have guessed which was which. Most importantly, the study didn't look at real patient outcomes. Does AI advice actually help people get better? Does it avoid harm or confusion? And would patients even want a bot answering their doctor's messages? These are huge questions the research wasn't built to answer. So while the results are fascinating, it's way too early to hand over patient questions to AI without doctors reviewing and supervising every time. So, bottom line on AI in healthcare, tools like ChatGPT can craft detailed, caring-sounding replies, sometimes rated higher than busy doctors' quick notes. Physicians might even learn from that warmth and detail. And in real life, some systems already use AI to draft responses that doctors review and personalize, a smart team approach.
But we're not ready to let AI answer alone. Accuracy, safety, and true human connection matter most. Even ChatGPT itself says no, it can't replace a doctor. We need more studies, real-world testing, and always human oversight.
The future is exciting. AI is a helper, not a replacement.
What do you think? Would you trust an AI for health advice? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit like if this opened your eyes.
And subscribe for more breakdowns on health tech and what's next in medicine. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy out there.